Hello everyone and welcome back to this new video, Basic Date Selection Techniques using the Feng Shui Guide, Part 6 for beginners and non-experts. In this video, I assume you have read the instruction section at the beginning of the Feng Shui Guide and Planner, and if not, please stop the video and read the instruction first. This section is at the beginning of the guide. Before watching this video, ensure you have seen parts 1 to 5. Otherwise, you will not be able to understand the subtleties I am going to teach you. Mind you, it will make everything easier. Before starting, I remind you to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks to everyone who is signing up, and let's get started. Now, in this video we assume we already calculated the right day, and indeed the day is the basic unit of time for choosing dates. So we are going now to calculate the right time for closing a partnership, putting a house on rent, starting a sale discount campaign, asking for job advancement or salary increase. First example, closing a relationship. In the previous video, we already calculated the good day, which is a Yin Earth Rooster day. We are particularly interested in the upper symbol, which is Yin Earth. So we go to the Yin Earth page, and then we look at the Yin Earth Rooster table. We then check the last row where you find the favorable stars in green and capital letters, while the unfavorable stars are represented by numbers and marked in red. As we are sending a registered mail, we have to remove all non-working hours first. There are 4 pillars left. Let's check them. The Earth Snake hour from 9 to 11 a.m. has good stars, but it carries the red phoenix. This star brings quarrels, arguments, insults. It is very unfavorable for negotiations and legal disputes. It is also not good for making requests and proposals. Since this star directly affects the activity we are going to do, we have to discard this pillar. Let's check the next pillar, which is the young metal horse from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. This pillar has no unfavorable stars and 2 wealth stars, day wealth and golden castle. This is a good time. Anyway, let's check for other pillars. The next one is the yin metal goat. This pillar has no unfavorable stars. It bears the happy hour star, which is good for communication, and the 2 wealth stars, precious light and prosperity. This is even better. Since this is the first example, let's also check the last pillar, which is the young water monkey. It carries the heavenly nobleman, which is a good protection star. It also carries the white tiger, which has to do with accidents and body injuries related to risky activities. Since it has nothing to do with the activity we want to perform, it has a neutral effect. Finally, it bears the road emptiness star, which has to do with obstacles and delays when traveling. This could partly affect the activity of sending a letter, so, since we already found 2 good pillars, we can skip it. So, we are left with the 2 pillars which cover 4 hours, from 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. The best one is the metal goat hour, but the metal horse hour is also good. Remember, you have to adjust the hour to your local time. This is explained in the guide and it's easy to do. So we are done. Let's move to the second example, putting a house on rent. Let's say you want to advertise on the internet, so you have a full 24 hours time. If you remember, we selected 4 days, none of whose is particularly good, but also not bad. We start with Friday the 15th, Yin Water Goat Day, which is probably the best day. If we can't find a suitable time, We will then check the remaining days. We move to the yin water page and then look for the yin water goat hour table. We see at glance that the yin wood rabbit hour 5 to 7 am has plenty of good stars. Will they be good for renting a house? Let's check. This pillar carries the 3 harmony and the heavenly nobleman stars, which are very good and give protection. It also carries the happy hour star, which is good for communication. It also carries 3 wealth stars. This is very good and there are no negative stars, so we definitely go for it. Since this is by far the best hour of the day, we don't need to check for other times. You can do as an exercise if you want to make practice. Let's move to the next activity, starting a sale or discount campaign. If you remember, we already selected 3 suitable days. Let's say your shop is open on Sundays, so the best option is Sunday 18th, Yin Fire Goat Day. We move to the Yin Fire page and then look for the Yin Fire Goat hour table. We have to remove all non-opening hours. We are left with 5 pillars. It would be nice to start the sale in the morning, so we first check the morning hours, which are the Yin Wood Snake and the Yang Fire Horse. The Yin Wood Snake hour, 9 to 11 am, has no unfavorable stars and carries the Heavenly Support star, which is good, the Traveling Horse star, which is very good, as it has the effect of accelerating any process, and the Jade Palace Wealth Star, which is not particularly good for a sale campaign, but still is a wealth star. So this is a good option. Let's now check the Yang Fire Horse hour, 11 am to 1 pm. It carries the Day Combined star, which is very good as it promotes mutual understanding. It is good for negotiations and for convincing others of one's opinion, which is what we want. It also carries the Happy Spirit star, which is not particularly fit but still good, and the Day Wealth star. The name speaks for itself. There is a negative star too, Heavenly Jail. This is not good as it brings obstacles, blockages and delays. But the Day Combined star can take care of it, so it's okay. Since we already found 2 very good hours in the morning, there is no point in checking the remaining pillars. We will go with the Yin Wood Snake or the Yang Fire Horse hour. Let's move to the next activity, asking for job advancement or salary increase. We have to be very careful and calculate the best possible hour. We already found 2 very good days, Monday 12th, which is the best, and Tuesday 13th, which is still very good. Let's start with Monday 12th, which is a Yang Fire Horse day. We move to the Yang Fire page and then look for the Yang Fire Horse hour table. We have to remove all non-opening hours. We are left with 4 possible pillars. Let's check them one by one. The Yin Water Snake hour, 9 to 11 am, bears the Black Tortoise star and the Road Emptiness star. Both are not favorable for the activity to be performed, so we have to discard this pillar. Next is the Yang Wood Horse hour, 11 am to 1 pm. It carries the Day Establishment and the Heavenly Support stars, which are very good but not much to the point. It also carries the unfavorable Self-Penalty star, which indicates the possibility of mistakes, missteps, actions or decisions that backfire. It's also lunchtime. Since the matter is very important, we tend to discard this hour. We would like to see only favorable and suitable stars, if possible. Let's check the next pillar, the Yin Wood Goat. It carries the Day Combine and the Heavenly Support star. Which are better? It also carries the unfavorable grappling hook star, which indicates treachery, deception, and forcing. However, the day combined star can take care of it. So this time is suitable, even if not the best. Lastly, we have the Fire Monkey Hour. It is promising as it only carries favorable stars, but we have to check. We have the Green Dragon star, which is very favorable, then the Happy Spirit star, which is neutral, finally the Traveling Horse star, which could be favorable or unfavorable depending on circumstances. So again, this is a good hour but nothing special. We would like the Heavenly Officer star, which is the most helpful one for this activity. Unluckily, this star is found in the red hour, 11 p.m. to 1 a.m., on a Fire Horse day. So, we have to check the other day too, which is Tuesday the 13th. This day is better for asking a salary increase, as it bears double wealth accumulation. We move to the Yin Fire page and then look for the Yin Fire Goat hour table. We have to remove all non-opening hours. We are left with the 4 possible pillars. We immediately check where the Heavenly Officer star is. It is marked by a green F. Unluckily, we can see no capital F in these 4 pillars. In fact, the Heavenly Officer star is found in the Pig hour, 9 to 11 p.m., which is not an option. Anyway, let's check the 4 pillars. The Yin Wood Snake hour, 9 to 11 a.m., bears the Heavenly Support star, which is good, then the Traveling Horse star, which could be favorable or unfavorable depending on circumstances, and finally the Precious Light star, which is good. Although not much to the point, this is a very good hour, probably the best so far, as there are no unfavorable stars. Then we check the Young Fire Horse hour. It carries the day combined star, indicating the possibility of convincing others of one's opinion. Very good. Then the Happy Spirit star, which is neutral. Finally, the Day Wealth star, which is very good. It also carries the Heavenly Jail star, which, as we have seen, is not good, but can be taken care of by the day combine. So this is a good time too. Then we move to the next pillar, the Yin Fire Goat hour. It carries the Black Tortoise star, which is not good, and the Day Establishment star, which cannot take care of it. So we discard this pillar. Finally, we have the Young Earth Monkey hour. It just carries the Life Governor star, which is helpful for health, so has nothing to do with the activity. This is a neutral hour, so we can discard it. So, we have 2 possible hours on Monday and 2 more on Tuesday. They are all good, but not exceptional. But since we already have chosen the best days, we can use them. Great, we have reached the end of this video. Again, I remind you that if you have any doubt in using the Feng Shui Guide Planner, you can join our community on Facebook for free. More details in the description below. Anyway, if you are not sure what you are doing, it is much better to seek the help of a professional expert. If you want to see more date selection examples, comment below with your suggestion. If you want to see more free content on this channel, please like this video and subscribe. To download the Feng Shui Guide Planner and for more information about the guide and our school, please visit our website canufengshuiacademy.com. See you soon and take care.